Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate NAV for monitoring business credit used for rentals. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate NAV for monitoring business credit used for rentals, start by visiting the official NAV website. Click on the sign up button if you are a new user. If you already have an account, click on the login button instead. Once you're on the sign up page, fill out the required personal information. This includes your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password for your account. Read and accept the terms and conditions before proceeding. After submitting your information, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Return to the NAV website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Business Credits section. In this section, locate the option to monitor your business credit. You may be prompted to provide additional company information, such as your business name and address. Fill out the required details accurately to ensure proper credit reporting. Select the type of business entity you are operating. This could be a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. After entering your business details, submit the information to NAV. Next, link your business bank accounts if prompted. This step may help NAV in generating a more accurate credit report. Once your account is set up, navigate to the monitoring tools. You will see options to track your business credit score and reports. Click on the Activate Monitoring button to initiate the service. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. After activation, you will access ongoing updates and alerts regarding your business credit. Review these updates regularly to stay informed about your business credit status. Utilize the insights provided by NAV to make informed rental decisions for your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.